Hi guys, today we are going to vaccinate our birds against pox. They made 6 weeks, although they got some sickness, so we could not vaccinate them on time because some of them had already got pox. We isolated them and with the guidance of a vet, we treated them, and so today we are vaccinating them. So I want to show you everything, how we are going to mix the medicine, how we are going to, vaccinate these birds. Before you see that, please click that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
So that is a pox vaccine, and it comes with ice. Most of them are supposed to be inside the fridge, and so because we can't carry the whole fridge, we have to put ice tubes around it. So the vet taught me how to mix, so I'm going to mix it and we shall give it to our birds. So the method of giving is wing stab. We stab the birds in the wings. As you can see, I've mixed and placed it back into the ice because I don't want it to get issues, so watch this video, give it a like, subscribe. That is the needle that we are going to use. It's double and it stabs very well the wings. You are going to see. Keep watching. So because we wanted to give these birds one by one, we had to divide the house into two, and then with the tarpaulin, as you can see, and we are trying to chase the birds to be in one side, and then we shall give them as we put them back inside the other side. But man, even birds fear. Just look at the way they are running up and down. They are saying over which one is the first. Wow, it was really fun. Keep watching. Anyasoka. So I had to first sanitize my hands, my husband also, so that we shouldn't, transfer any form of sickness to these birds since we are going to hold them. And yeah, so we are going to start. It was very hard because I had sympathy on these birds, pricking them. The vet told me that you have to keep this vaccine inside the ice, so that it will not, actually they don't want it to be warm. It is supposed to be cold all throughout, so I had to keep it inside the ice cubes. So we are going to stab the bird first. I had to unfear it. When you are rearing these birds, you feel like, how do I even do this? But we had to do it for the safety of these birds. Because the veins are here, I was avoiding them, so I'm going to stab here.
You stab in that triangle thing.
So as you do this vaccination, you have to avoid stabbing these birds on the veins because they can bleed and then even die. So we just stab in the muscles. Keep watching. So we kept giving. You see the number of birds have reduced, and other birds that were already vaccinated were inside that tapling, like the other part of the house. So we continued to, it was so hectic, giving one by one, but yes, we did it, and we had to vaccinate all the birds. So So when everything was done, we gave them multivitamins. We thought it would be very hard for them because they had told us it's painful, that some birds will lose appetite, etc. But yeah, we gave them the multivitamins, and you can see them in the bottle for the drink. And they all drank, they ate food. It was not so bad as we thought. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's a kind request that you subscribe, like the videos, share them with your friends, and give us a comment. Let us know how you feel about the vaccination process, etc. Yay! Hey, survival for the fittest in this house. So we just vaccinated our birds, and it was very hectic and very painful, as you saw in the video. Some people had told us that, when you vaccinate with fowlpox, the birds are not going to eat, they are going to be very sick. But yeah, you can look around. These are the birds. They are looking so good. They are eating. They have drunk. We gave them multivitamins, and I see they are somehow active. So I'm going to observe them the whole day, and I will see what happens later. For now, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and till another time, bye.